Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So come take a look at this basement we just wrapped up. It's a beautiful space, and I'll show you a few of the key features about it that you might want to consider for your home project. So here we have kind of the family, the TV entertainment area. And as you can see, it's a beautiful space. Really nice millwork detail here. Is a custom unit that we designed and built for this client. And this really creates a space that's really remarkable to view. It becomes the focal point. It really makes people want to spend time in this area. It's also very practical. We have the recessed bookcase in here. Nice contrasting color to the balance of the body of it. Nice floating cabinets, great for storage. We have all the AV units inside that, very minimal cables viewable or in view. And we also have this nice millwork detail kind of with the fluted wall panel and the floating shelves with the lighting. So it really makes for a beautiful space. Also very practical. Obviously nice big TV, great for watching movies with the family. There's a couch that complements the color of the floating shelves, which is a nice little design touch on their end as far as furnishing the space. As we get here, this becomes kind of a multi-use space. This isn't furnished yet by the client. It will eventually have a day bed and be used as a nice reading area. Lots of window in this space. We have them closed now because it's just too bright for video purposes, but it's a wonderful space for day use. But it could be used for other things depending on your needs as a family. So this could potentially be, if it was a secondary suite, there could be a kitchenette in here. This could be serving as an arts and craft area like it is now temporarily, or it could be used for a dining space. So the flex space is a great addition to the basement. Really gives you some options for how to use the space depending on how your family's needs change. Behind you then would be the bedroom, and the configuration in this basement was a bit difficult, and a common challenge you run into with developing basements in newer homes is the builders often don't give a lot of thought to finishing the basement because it's not part of the build and the construction process at that time. So we often come in, have to pick up the pieces, so to speak, and figure out a layout that will work well for this family based on where the windows are. We need to meet egress if we're going to have a bedroom there, and the way this was originally designed by the builder just wouldn't work for the family. So a lot of time was spent in design, figuring out a way we could accomplish the need for the guest bedroom, for a nice living area, while still accomplishing kind of an open concept feel to the place. So we did accomplish that. It did take a bit of time in design to get what the client really wanted, but it's a really important stage. It's something to consider. Some builders do a great job with it. Others don't really think that far ahead. So something to be aware of. Anyhow, down at the end of the hallway then we have the mechanical room, and we have a really, really nice bathroom. And this bathroom was definitely upgraded, some premium finishes in there. We have nice heated tile floor, a beautiful custom tiled shower with a big linear niche, multiple tile products that really create an interesting design. Beautiful floaty vanity, lovely countertops, and overall a really, really nice space. And I love when people really choose to class up their spaces in their basement, because this basement doesn't feel like, oh, we're going down to the basement. It's like, yay, we get to hang out down here. It's a beautiful space. It's an extension of the home, and it suits the design and quality of the home upstairs. So in my opinion, it's always worth to make those finishing touches that are remarkable. And when you do, you get a space like this. I think it's awesome. If you have questions about a basement for your home, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.